Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I am so happy to show you this. This video is about iKeyFlick. You can see my keyboard right here. I am on iOS 26. You can see that it makes your typing experience easier. So when you type, you will see all the alternate characters right here inside your keyboard. So you do not have to press any other key to reveal them. You will simply flick on a key down and you can see it will automatically type the character. For example, we have a V here. Simply flick down and you can see it types the character behind it. Same is with C and the question mark. Flip and you can see it typed right here. So in this video I will show you how you can turn this on. And yes, it indeed is iOS 26 and no, a jailbreak is not required. And it works on all devices and the method shown in this video is completely free. For this, we will head to the original source. You can see this tweet by the developer right here. For iKeyFlick, you will see this link right here to get it. When you get here, simply scroll down and you can get iKeyFlick from here. From here, get it to your computer first. Now to apply it to your device, you will need the latest version of Nugget. The latest version as of now is version 6.1.1. Nugget is also completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. Now to use Nugget, you must install iTunes. You can install iTunes from the official Apple's website. And if you scroll down on the official GitHub page for Nugget, under requirements for Windows, you will see that you can install Apple devices from the Microsoft Store or of course iTunes from the official Apple's website. Now to begin, simply from the official GitHub page for Nugget, get the latest version available to your Windows computer. You will use the nugget_windows.zip file. Now when you have both zip files for iKeyFlick and nugget_windows, you will simply extract them by right clicking and then selecting extract all. You will get these folders, and if you check out Nugget, you can see that a Python is already built into it, so you do not have to install it separately. And for iKeyFlick, you can see we have two files, .better. One is to turn it on and the other is to turn it off. Now let's open Nugget. Before opening Nugget, make sure that you connect your device via USB. Alright, you can see it is the same device and you can also see the version right here on Nugget. Now to start, simply select templates from here and then import templates. Now simply navigate to iKeyFlick directory on folder and now select iKeyFlick on.better. You will see it right here. Now go to settings and make sure skip setup is off. All right, before you apply changes, make sure that find my iPhone or find my iPad on your device is off. This is very important. You can turn it on later after the process is finished and then hit apply changes. Do not unplug until it is complete. Your device will restart. Hit OK. Now once your device restarts, and now if I open notes, you can see the new iKeyFlick keyboard. You can see it works without issues. Simply swipe down and it works. Now if you want to turn it off, you will simply head to Nugget, go to templates, delete the iKeyFlick on file from here, import templates, select the iKeyFlick off.better file, hit on open, go to settings, make sure skip setup is not selected, go to apply and then hit apply changes. The device will restart. So after restarting, when you are back, you can see the keyboard is back to stock. The iKeyFlick is now off. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.